I hope you had a great day of this different kind of learning. I really miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. But for now, I'm going to be closing out your day with a story today. So I decided to read to you Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson. Let's get into it. Now this book really rhymes, so I want you to look for the rhyming words in this book as I read, okay? In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. It's a sleepy bear. I sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. I wonder if he'll wake up. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. I guess he's not going to wake up. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Can you believe it? Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Let's see what happens. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Everybody looks a little scared. Look. He looks like an angry bear that he's not happy he was woken up. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." He was upset he missed out, but Mouse says that we can just do it all over again with Bear awake now. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Take a look at what happened. Everybody else fell asleep and Bear's awake now. That was a good book. I really liked it. I hope you liked it too, and I really hope to see you guys soon. Have a good night. Bye.